Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Therichpost. Myself, Ajay. Hope you all are doing good. First, I will say, stay home, stay safe, and do coding because coding is the best. So, friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you Angular 10 drag drop working functionality. So, friends, like on my screen, you can see Angular 10 is working fine with some list item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right and left side. And now I will show you drag drop functionality. So friends, before starting, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest and written updates. So friends, now I'm going to show you functionality. Drag, drop, drag, drop, drag and drop. Friends, have you seen? It's working fine. So friends, like always, I will share the code snippet link inside the video description. Then you can get the code easily. If you will still have any kind of query, suggestion or new requirement, then you can comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog. I will share all the details inside the video description. So friends, in the end, I will say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.